Alright guys, what's going on? What's cracking? Today is baby day, so I'm gonna probably make this short and sweet, so again, excuse me for the noise. We've got Colton out here, my parents just pulled up.
Brian,
what? Alright, hold on here. Okay guys, so make this quick and easy here today. Today is gender reveal day. You guys saw the last video. I'm gonna have to talk quick because I'm not gonna have much time. Got a happy wife, happy life. I'm not gonna stand the camera much. Colton here, the man, the myth, the legend, is going to be doing the burnout today. Look at his outfit, look at the drip. Look at the drip right now, boys and girls, look at this. We got Sean over here, brother-in-law Joey, my beautiful mother. So, Burnout King, what's your, what do you think it's gonna be?
Girl. Boy.
Boy. Team boy.
But I would not be surprised if it was girl.
I think it's a girl, so, guys, I think it's a girl. I do, I think it's a girl. I just have this inclination, I've been saying it from the get-go, I think it's a girl, so. He's kind enough to do the burnout here today because I gotta be standing with the wife, so he's got his awesome super over here. Who's done 1 million burnouts now, haven't you, son? Oh, by the way, congratulations, 21st birthday. You're 21 today. Just turned 21 today. Today's his birthday. 21st birthday. He just bought his first case of Keystone this morning.
Good job.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
He just turned 21 today. Today's his birthday. He turned 21 today, as of midnight last night.
don't look that young.
Okay, so this is the Supra that's going to be doing the burnout. Got Mr. Bolka over there getting his Supra ready. So we're going to do it right here. Luckily, I have cool neighbors. So hopefully this goes well. But yeah, I'm excited. And I can't wait to see what you guys think the kid is. Kids. Oh my gosh, I got to remember that. Baby, what do you think?
What do I think?
Yeah.
Team Blue.
Team Blue, what do you vote? Blue?
Team Blue.
What'd you vote? Pink?
Blue.
Blue? What'd you vote? Blue. Blue and blue. Oh, man, I'm like 1,000% sure it's a girl. Everyone's more confident than I am. No? Me? No. I would like. I swear to God in the Holy Bible, I don't. Trust me, I've been trying to figure it out.
Can't tell.
What'd you vote? Hey, what'd you vote?
Girl, look at Jen's face.
Ryan.
Yeah.
You can't tell because the ultrasound? They must take after you if they're boys.
I hate you so much. I despise you. Lumberjack. It's so weird seeing you with a beard. It's like all over again.
It'll be around for a long time.
I know, I love it. Do you like him better with the beard? Yeah. Me too. I think he's cuter.
Alright.
Cat, you told everybody about the opportunity. She wanted to do.
That wasn't a burnout.
It's okay. It's okay.
I knew it. I could feel it.
He did a good job. I knew it.
That's a lot of crap.
He did a good job for one day.
Hey, what did I say when I put this blue sticker on? I said,
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
It won't go with one hand. I can't get
What do you
it.
want me to do?
Hold on. You gotta do it again.
That's why
ready?
your father didn't do it.
I can't get it with one hand.
Okay, I'll do it then.
Are you ready?
Here, no, you ready?
3,
You ready with
2.
me? But Polka, I didn't start counting yet.
Holy hell, we're here just chiming away.
3, okay? 1, 2, 3.
That's all it did there.
Go sweep it up.
Okay guys, so that was our video. That was the burnout. That was the kids. There's 2 girls.
2 girls. Woo!
I appreciate everything everyone's done so far. We've got a bunch of gifts already, so thank you, Dexter, Maria. I'm assuming his name's Ken. 2JZ Phase 3. And we know there's a bunch of other people who have been buying stuff. Like, thank you guys so much. We appreciate it. For anyone else that does want to buy something, again, you don't have to. We said last time, but we do appreciate it. Down below is a link for Baby List. If you go in there, then there's 3 links in there for like Amazon, Target, and Baby.
Bye bye baby.
Bye Bye Baby, whatever it's called. She did all of this. I have no idea. You can go in there, buy something if you want. There's cheap stuff and expensive stuff, whatever you guys want to do. Again, we keep getting asked. So, I mean, I'm never going to force anyone, but if someone's going to keep asking me, I'm just going to give you guys a list to be done with it because it's just, yeah, I'm not good with this stuff. But yeah, we're excited. She's really excited. I wanted girls anyway, so this kind of works out for me. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how you feel. I know she's excited.
I'm excited. I I'm still recovering, but I'm praying everything still goes well. But yes, like Ryan said, thank you guys for everybody that sent stuff so far. We appreciate it. But you don't have to feel obligated to buy us anything, but everybody's been reaching out to us, so we just want to put it out there where you can go and buy the items that we have registered for.
But thank you guys very much. I do appreciate it. We appreciate it. Yeah, we are excited. I'm trying to get as much stuff in as I can because obviously with 2 kids coming, it's going to be fun. It's gonna be fun for her. She's all excited. I'm a guy, so I mean, typical of me, I want to do car stuff still. I want to be able to have fun, but I just want to make sure I provide for the kids and take care of them. So that's it. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you.
Love you. Miss you. Bye.